Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 241. And again, this is the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 7. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here, so this is our 7. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2, 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 9, 9 here, so 2, 8, 2 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 8, and 9. No help here. 4, 5, 8, 9. 4 and 9 here, so 5, 8. 4, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 9. That 4 and 8 makes this our 5, which makes this our 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 2, 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 3, no help here, 1, 3, 7, and no help here, 1, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3, 6 here, so 1, 3. That means that our 6 for that row has to be here. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 7 makes this our 3, 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3, 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.